Welcome to my complete NordVPN tutorial for 2025. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through everything you need to know, from creating an account and installing the app to using NordVPN on both Windows PC and your mobile devices. I'll also show you the most useful features and give you some tips so you can really get the most out of it. And of course, I'll share where you can grab the biggest discounts so you don't have to pay full price. Let's dive in. Before you can start using NordVPN, you'll need an account. The easiest way to get one is to visit TechShieldReviews.com. It's a trusted site with verified deals and expert reviews on VPNs and cybersecurity. And right now, you can save up to 70%, plus get extra months for free. The link is also in the pinned comment, or you can scan the QR code on the screen. Once you're on the site, just choose your plan, enter your email, and finalize the payment. Personally, I recommend the Plus plan because it gives you full VPN features and advanced threat protection without forcing you to juggle multiple extra apps. But if you need a password manager and encrypted storage, the complete plan is a great bundle too. Once you're done, congratulations, you now have your NordVPN account. Let's start on Windows. Go to NordVPN's official site, download the installer, run it, and follow the setup. It only takes a minute. When you launch the app for the first time, you'll be asked to log in, and that happens through your browser for security reasons. Once you sign in, you'll be redirected back to the app. When you first launch NordVPN on Windows and log in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where you'll spend most of your time inside the app. At the very top on the right, you'll see some statistics about your connection, how long you've been online with and without the VPN. Just below that, there's the Threat Protection section, which is responsible for blocking ads, malicious websites, and trackers before they can even load. Underneath that, you'll notice MeshNet, a feature that lets you securely connect multiple devices, share files, or even create a virtual LAN connection with other NordVPN users. But the most important part of this screen is on the left side. This is where you control your VPN connection. If you're not connected yet, you'll see the Quick Connect button right there. Clicking it will let NordVPN automatically choose the fastest server based on your current location. It's the simplest way to get online securely without having to think about server selection. Of course, you don't have to rely on Quick Connect. You can also choose a country manually from the alphabetical list on the left. Or, if you prefer a more visual approach, you can switch over to the map view. With the map, all you need to do is click on a country, and NordVPN will connect you there instantly. Both methods work the same, so it's just a matter of personal preference. Once you've connected for the first time, that server will also show up under Recent Connections. This list keeps track of your last 3 connections, so if you often jump between the same countries, you can get back to them quickly without scrolling through the entire list again. And if you want to disconnect, just click the power button at the top left. Next to it, you'll find options to reconnect in case you run into issues, or even pause the VPN if you need to temporarily go without it. Now let's open the settings by clicking the cogwheel at the bottom left. Here you'll find several important options. In the General tab, you can choose whether the app should launch when Windows starts or whether it should stay minimized in the background. There's also an option to enable MeshNet file sharing directly from your right-click menu, so you can send files securely without even opening the app. But the most important settings are in the Connection tab. This is where you choose your VPN protocol. If you're not sure what to pick, leave it on auto. NordVPN will automatically select the best option, usually NordLynx, which is their version of the WireGuard protocol. It's the fastest and most secure choice right now. You can also set the app to auto-connect whenever you're on Wi-Fi, which I highly recommend. That way, NordVPN will automatically turn on whenever you join a public hotspot. You can even set trusted networks where it won't auto-connect. Another critical feature is the kill switch. This will block your internet connection completely if the VPN drops unexpectedly, which ensures that your real IP address is never exposed. You can also specify certain apps that should close automatically if the VPN drops. For example, your torrenting client. NordVPN also offers split tunneling. This feature lets you choose which apps should use the VPN and which should bypass it. For example, you might want your streaming app to use the VPN while your browser uses your normal internet connection. Now let's talk about specialty servers. NordVPN has several types that you can access from the server list. Double VPN routes your traffic through 2 servers for extra privacy. Obfuscated servers are designed for countries that block VPN traffic, and they hide the fact that you're even using a VPN. Onion over VPN combines the VPN connection with the Tor network for maximum anonymity, though it will be much slower, and P2P servers are optimized for torrenting, with better connectivity and speeds. Back on the main menu, if you click into Threat Protection, you'll see what makes NordVPN more than just a VPN. It acts like a lightweight antivirus. It blocks ads and trackers on the web, scans files you download for malware, and even checks the apps you have installed for known vulnerabilities. It's like having a safety net built right into your VPN app. MeshNet is another powerful tool. It allows you to create secure private connections between your devices anywhere in the world. You can use it to share files, play multiplayer games through a virtual LAN, or even access your home computer while you're traveling. And the best part is, MeshNet is completely free, even for people who don't have a NordVPN subscription. Another useful feature is the Dark Web Monitor. This checks whether your email has appeared in any known data leaks on the dark web. If it finds something, it alerts you so that you can change your password and secure your accounts. It's a simple but very powerful feature for keeping your online identity safe. Now let's switch over to mobile. The NordVPN app is available on both iOS and Android, and the setup is just as simple. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play, log in with your account, and you'll be taken straight to the main screen. Just like on PC, the Quick Connect button is front and center. Tap it, and NordVPN will automatically connect you to the fastest server near you. If you want to choose your location manually, you can browse the country list or use the interactive map. Disconnecting and reconnecting is just as simple with the buttons at the top. The mobile apps also come with several important features. Threat Protection Lite blocks ads and trackers while you're connected. The kill switch keeps your IP safe if the connection drops. Android users get split tunneling, so you can choose which apps use the VPN and which don't. iOS users don't have that, but they do get Siri shortcuts, so you can connect to NordVPN hands-free with your voice. MeshNet is also included, so you can link devices together securely. On Android, you can even transfer files directly through MeshNet, though on iOS that's still limited because of Apple's restrictions. Overall, the mobile apps are clean, fast, and almost identical to the desktop version in terms of ease of use. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to get the most out of NordVPN. Always enable Auto Connect on unknown Wi-Fi networks. This way, whenever you join a public hotspot at an airport, hotel, or cafe, NordVPN will automatically protect your connection. Use NordLink's protocol whenever possible for the best speeds. Turn on Dark Web Monitor so you're notified if your email shows up in a data leak. And remember that your most frequently used servers will always appear in your recent connections, so you can quickly get back to them without scrolling through the list again. And that's it! A full tutorial on how to use NordVPN on both PC and mobile in 2025. As you can see, it's extremely easy to set up and use, but also comes with a ton of powerful features that make it more than just a VPN. If you're ready to get started, make sure you don't pay full price. Head to TechShieldReviews.com or use the link in the pinned comment below to grab the latest verified discount, saving you up to 70% plus extra months free. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, give it a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more VPN tutorials and cybersecurity tips.